Hey everyone, I began few questions about how to create images using Midjourney. So I figure I'll start a mini series. So what you want to do is you want to come over to midjourney.com and you should see the homepage that looks like this. You sign up for free. They give you about, I think, 20 images to make for free. You can do a lot with that. So once you see this, you sign up for free using your email. And once you sign in, let me show you what it looks like. You'll come into this front page right here. Just a quick browse. Explore is a page where other creators are using are actually creating real-time images. So you get to scroll by and see what it looks like. To be able to make these images, you can either do it right up here in a search bar, but I prefer to use the app itself. So what you want to do then is come over to discord.com, download this free application, and once you do that, you'll be ready to start creating some images.